Welcome back, guys. So in this video I will be showing you a great value, you know which talks about how to add travel guide, how to create travel guide for your book, for your travel guidebook. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I'll urge you to go there so that you wouldn't miss any video that I post. So without wasting much of our time, let's get to it. Now, the first thing you want to do now is um come to your Canva. This is a paid Canva, so I have thought about how you can get a Canva Pro for lifetime. Yes, lifetime. Just go to my videos and you will see how to the two ways. I have two secrets on how to get this Canva Pro for free, so just check the video and you will see. And this is what you want to do now. Come to this Canva and you come to this custom size here, and you input your book size. So as for me, I'll be using 8.5 by 11 inches. Now once you input the paper size of your book, you click on create new design. Now once it shows up, the next thing you want to do now is you come to this app. You see this app, just come to this app here. You come here and you type in, you search for map, you search for map, you search for Google Map. Okay, now you click on it. You see this first one here, this is the one we'll be using. This first one, just click on it, and once it shows, let's search for this. Let's say we want to add this Aberdeen. Let's say you are writing this Aberdeen travel guide, so you want to copy the name, you want to copy it and come to this search bar at your, come back to this Amazon, to this Canva, then you paste this Aberdeen there, and you click search for Aberdeen. Now let's see. So this is it, guys. You want to, now the next thing you want to do now is click on it and it will show up here. Can you see? Let's see, it has showed up here. This is our map. Now you want to use it to fill in this. Once you fill in it, then you click on it again and you duplicate it. Once you duplicate it, come here again and put it down. Just follow me through, do whatever I'm doing here, click whatever I'm clicking, guys. Just, and once you duplicate it and put it down, you click on it and you come to this transparency. You click on it and you reduce the transparency to, let's say, maybe 13. Yes, it's okay like this. So once you reduce it, you come to this element. Or no, before you do that, you come to this app again, and you type in QR code. You type in QR code. Now you click on it. I love using, you can use anyone here, it doesn't matter, but I just like using this, or we can use this one. You can take whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Just click it, click the one you want, and you open. Yes, you open it. So let's see, it's going to load up. Now what you want to do now is you, let's see, you add to design. You click on add to design. Okay, now once it adds, then you come here and you place it at the bottom down here. Then you increase it a little bit. So this is okay, guys. Now what you want to do now is you see these you see that I click on these lower parts, or you can click on any one of these any one of these, just click on any of the parts and you see this code. Click on this pencil that edit link, click on it, edit the link, and you click copy. So once you copy it, you paste it here. And you paste. Now, sorry, you need to delete this one first. So once you paste the code here, then you click on add design. Then it's going to add. So this is it, guys. This is the code that we want. Now after that, what you want to do now is you need to design it a little bit, so that it will look more appealing. Come to this element and you click on this square. Then you can put it at the top like this. You reduce it, just to add more feelings to it. Now what you want to do next now is, you can let's increase this transparency again, just to make it more appealing. Okay, now what you want to do next is bring a text here and you put it up. Yes, you put it up here. You can change the font, if you like. I can just put it here. Now the name of the city we want to write about, you copy it, then you come back to your Canva, then you paste. So you can change the color to maybe white. Yes, I think white is okay. Wait, I think white is okay. No, I think white is okay. Let's just include white. Then you make it, you spread it and make it bigger. So Aberdeen city map. Okay, so you can write whatever you want there, just to give it a good heading. So this is Aberdeen city map. Now what you want to do next again is to add more feelings to it, to make it more valuable. What you want to do next is you want to teach the people that buy your books on how to use this QR code. You can't just use it like this. It's not going to add any feel to it. You want to come to your ChatGPT here. Come to your ChatGPT and just you can say, give me 5 steps, or list me 5 steps on how to use QR code. Now let's see what's going to write. I don't know. Let me refresh this. So let's paste it again. I don't know what's wrong. I think I need to log in again. Just hold on a little bit and you will see what we are going to derive at. Now you paste again. Now let's see what is going to, you see, this is what it says. Open the QR code, use your smartphone. Okay, point the camera. Okay, can you see? All you just want to do now is, I think I prefer this one because it's kind of small, like the content is not much. Just copy the content it gives you, then you add the text here again. You add the text. Now let's add subheading. You add the text here and you paste. You reduce it so that it's going to fit here. This is just telling how you can tell your or you can tell your buyers, increase it a little bit. Then you increase it. And it has to be bigger than this. You just have to make it bigger than this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So this is less. This is okay, I think. So you can just do the alignment. Okay, I think this is okay like this now. This will show that this will tell this is a step to tell your buyers that this is how to use this QR code. Some people don't even know how to use it. Now, to make sure that we are on on the right page, what you want to do now is just click on this. You see this link, just click on it. Let's see if it's going to take us to this site, to the map that we just created. Now you see that we are right about this is Aberdeen, and all you have to do now is click on this direction, and it's going to show them. Let's see, from airport. Maybe this thing is in airport, so you see it's going to show them exactly this is airport. Can you see, guys? This is airport. Now this is the international airport, and this is where they are going. It's just 45-minute drive. You see that this map is fucking real. This is how you can add maps to your, if you have a phone right now, you can just scan this QR code and you will see that it will take you to exactly to this location. Now all you just want to do now is click on share. You click on share, and you click on download, maybe JPEG. Then you click on download. So once it downloads, then you go to your Word document and you go and paste. Let me show you how you can paste it without. Okay, just download, then you come to your Word document now. So let's say this is where you want to add. Let's say this is where you want to add the map. You can just come to this insert. I showed you how you can add pictures like this just to make it more appealing. Come to insert, then you click on shape. Then once you draw it, I think it's okay like this. Then you click on shape format and click on fill. Click on pictures, and it's going to take you to where it's saved. So then you pick it. Let's see. I think it's loading. It's taking time to load. Click on this file, then you click on it. Click on insert. Now can you see that this is our map, guys? You can scan this. Once they scan it, it will take them to exactly where they want. Yes, it will take them to exactly where they want. Maybe you can still do some little things about this. No, I think I want this that way. So can do it like this. This is how to add a map, guys. Once they scan it, they will be taken to the places they want. Now if I've given you any value in this video, guys, if you think I've shared a little bit of value for you, please make sure you subscribe, like and share, comment. I'll be there to answer anything that you say. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go, guys.